Hey guys, welcome back to another Profound Studios tutorial. Just wanted to make this quick little tutorial about a plugin that I use in all my tracks, all mixdowns I use. It's a free plugin. I highly recommend it. It's a free plugin called Wider by Infected Mushroom, and it's really good for just widening your sounds, really, like rather than using like the Haas effect or whatever, or delays, things like that. This plugin is just very simple. I'll load it up. I've just got this track of mine that I've started just to use as an example sort of thing. So yes, let's load it up. I'll show you what it does. Okay, so Wider, it's literally, that's what it is, and it's just, you just choose how wide you want it. It's a very simple plugin, and that's why it's so good, because anyone can use it and it's going to help your mixes. So let's solo the clap. Okay, I'll show you guys like what it does. So that's my clap at the moment. I haven't like processed it or anything yet, but now listen to the bit of width. So you can hear straight, like right there, how it's like, yeah, it literally does what the name says. It's widening the sound. So it's just a really good plugin to have up your sleeve, especially like when it's free, and it's gonna improve your mix sounds a lot. Like like when I'm doing a mix down, I kind of like, how do I word it? So I kind of picture there's like a ball on my head, and I'm kind of thinking, okay, what sounds are like here, what sounds are here, what sounds are back here, you know, what's at the front of the mix, what's at the back, what's to my left, what's like my I don't know, say if it was like a compass, what's to my my northwest, or like, you know, because you want a full mix, so you want to have sounds coming from all different angles, all different frequencies, you know. So that's just something to think about when you're doing a mix down. That's kind of like almost like a dummy way to think about it. Like, okay, I've got a ball on my head. Okay, where are all the sounds coming from, you know? So like, for example, with your hats, so unmute those, and I'll put Wider on both of them. Da-da-da-da. And like, so I've got them both panned 15% left, 15% right, because they're two different hats, just kind of make sure they don't clash and fill out the mix a bit better. But like, say if I wanted my hats to be just a little bit wider in the mix, excuse me, maybe I'll put like 40% on it each, like that. And you see how they're not like clash, like they're not in the very center of the mix, they're just like a little bit, well, as the name says, wider, you know. And you can use that plugin on literally anything. Like, I've used it on bass lines before. Like, if you want a bit of a wider bass line, like this is my bass line in this track. And you know, maybe you want to just, because another thing with when you're producing is not only like, there are rules of thumbs in music, like, you know, such as like music theory and things like that, and obviously, you know, putting reverb on a sub bass or something like that. But like, the way you mix a track is going to be another thing that sets you apart from the rest. Like, it's a mixdown can make your track unique. So maybe for a bass line, like, you could have it a bit wider if you wanted, you know? I think that sounds pretty good. That's what it's like without it. straight away that's made it sound like more full, you know. So it's it just depends. Like, you know, you can use this on any sound, and there's a number of ways that you can use this to improve your mixes. So even like my shaker, when you know, you don't really want, I wouldn't put my shaker in the center of the mix. I would widen it a bit. So that's back in the center. You know? And then that's having it wider. I think, so I don't know if I've been explaining things properly. I hope this has been helpful. But yeah, this is just it's a free plugin, very easy to install. I'll put the link in the description of the video. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick tutorial just to share what I use so often in my mixes, and I get pretty professional results. So yeah, I hope this has been helpful. If you could drop a subscribe, a like on the video, comment below if it's helped you, what you want to see next. I'm always looking for more ideas on what I can create videos on for you guys. I've got a big list already. I've been working on heaps at the moment. So yeah, if there's anything you want to know or see, just drop it down to me in the comments below. And yeah, share it with a friend. Maybe they might find it helpful. I appreciate all the support so far in the first yeah, what has it been, about a month or so now since we launched. So yeah, I appreciate all the support so far, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, cheers.